Hello everybody, I will show you today one kind of preparation of a traditional bread, traditional Algerian bread. This is one kind of this preparation, this bread, which needs semolina. I need 3 balls of semolina. The size I use today, 2 balls of middle one, and the third one, very thin one. So I need 3 balls of semolina and salt. I will mix with salt. I will mix everything. As I said, 3 balls of semolina, and I need 1 balls of oil. I will mix today cooking oil and olive oil. I will mix them to get 1 measure of 1 bowl. Olive oil, I will mix. So 3 semolina for 1 olive oil. Mix it with cooking oil. I will use herbs. This is traditional bread which contains herbs. Mint, it contains meat, coriander, onion, garlic, and another kind of mint which is pennyroyal. First, I'll mix the semolina with oil. Okay, I will mix them using my hands until I feel all semolina is all mixed, well mixed with oil. Okay, you can see I mix. Okay, I mix them, and I will prepare, okay, the herbs. I already washed them. I have to cut them on small sizes. I can use mixer or I will cut them. This is a kind, the first one is pennyroyal. It's very smell is little strong. It's a good smell. I can cut using knife, very small, very small pieces, or I will mix all of them using my mixer. Okay, next is the mint. I already washed all of them. Okay, I'll cut and mix everything. Okay, I will mix them. First, all my herbs, and later I will cut the onions and the garlic. This coriander, it's very good smell. This is a healthy, traditional Algerian bread, and it's a good smell, olive oil smell, and mixed with these herbs smells. Okay, I mix all of them and I will show you the mixture. Then after that I'll cut the onions and garlic. After mixing them, okay, I will cut the onion on small piece and mix all of them together. I can use one big onion or two middle-size onion. Same of garlic, 2 garlic or 3 smalls. I will mix all of them together, and all the mixture will be added to our semolina. I mix them and show you. After this is our mixture, I add all this mixture and mix with my semolina. Okay, using my hands I mix all together. Okay, and then we try to get to collect all. Okay, I mix everything and I will try to get two, I can say 2 balls, 2 or 3. And it's up my feeling. If I feel that I have to add water to try, I mix everything and try to collect and get balls. If necessary, I will add again water. I will try to get balls or I add water. It's up my feeling, what I feel on my hand. I'm trying. If necessary, maybe I will add water. You know, it depends on the kind of semolina. Some kinds need more water. Maybe I'll add a little water and try again. Okay, I repeat. I mix again and try to get balls to make. Okay, maybe it's okay. 2 or 3. I will prepare 2 today. I will form 2 balls. Okay, and after getting my balls, I will show you how to make my bread, the form of my bread. Okay, I'll use this 1 ball. Now I will show you. I will first make, okay, I will get from this ball I will try to get a circle using my hand. Okay, I will form as much as I can. I will form a circle. I will cut, try to make different triangles. I'll cut on 2 and again 2 and 2. 2 times again. Again I cut and I cut. I cut again and again. I try to make almost same triangles. Okay, again the last one. And I will kindly take one by one. Remove, yeah, okay. One by one and try to arrange its form one by one. Yeah, slowly I will try to remove slowly, yeah, and don't destroy them. I'm trying to keep this form and arrange them one by one. During this time, I'm heating my metallic plate to cook them one by one. Okay. When I feel that my plate is already hot, okay, I will put slowly one by one, okay, all my pieces of my bread. I'm okay, and I'm just using the middle position of my fire. I don't heat my plate very, using very strong fire. I will care of the cooking of my bread one by one. I will change the face. I will turn them one by one. Okay. When I feel it's already cooked on one side, trying to change the side and cook the second one. Of course, the color will change, of course. Yeah, I return. Okay. Maybe it's already cooked one side, maybe. Okay. I slowly cook the second side, second face. Okay. It's a traditional Algerian bread. It contains, as I said, olive oil, different herbs, onion, garlic, and it's healthy. And we eat with olive oil. I mean, after cooking, we cut pieces of this bread and we use olive oil again during eating time. So I'll cook them one by one and remove when it's finished one by one. Okay, and I will wait. After cooling down, I will cut. First, I remove all of them. You remove them from fire. Okay. Okay, I'll remove all of them. Okay, I will wait. We can see the color, brown and okay, let me show you. Okay, we see the green part of the cooked herbs mixed with cooked semolina and brown color. It's a good, very good smell. After, I will wait few minutes to cool down. We can eat using olive oil. We cut some small piece. This is olive oil, and this is our way, traditional way, how to eat it. We cut a piece and we put inside the oil, and okay, inside oil like this, and we can eat it. Okay, have a nice preparation and see you next time.